Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing here some trade with candlestick psychology. I will place all my trade based on price action, volume analysis and volume signals. So let's enjoy. So this is USD JPY pair and market is now moving below 50 30 20 EMA line. If I get any signal, yes, I can go with the sellers for 3 minutes. So let's see what will happen here. This is my very late entry, but I think market close below my entry point after 3 minutes. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade. I'm explaining here the reason of me taking the trade. So observe here, market is strong downtrend market here, and suddenly market started to going up. But this candle, I see this candle form in the market, and these candles got rejected from this 20 EMA line, and this candle's volume is low than previous candles bar, and there is also upper rejection. So this candles was my signal. After this candle, market again make two bearish candles here, and when I see sellers already enter in the market, then I immediately place my trade here for 3 minutes to the lower direction. After 3 minutes, market close below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is Euro JPY pair, and market is now sideways market here. If I get any opportunity, I will place my trade. Yes, I can go with the sellers for 1 minute. So let's see what will happen. I think market close below my entry point after 1 minute. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is also my winning trade. So I'm explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So observe here, this is strong downtrend market. So when market came above this level, there is a level here, this level, our level is here, and this is our level, also our level, this round number level. So I place my trade to the lower direction here, to the direction of the trend, taking some margin of safety. When market came above this level here, then I immediately place my trade to the lower direction, to the direction of the trend. So when I see after two candles market started to falling down, and market already create two candles here, that's why I immediately place my trade to the lower direction of the trend, taking some margin of safety for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market close below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is AUD USD pair, and market is now going upward direction. So market make a strong candle here, and volume also high here. So I have to wait. Yes, I can go with the buyers for 1 minute. So let's see what will happen here. I think market obviously close above my entry point. So let's see what will happen here. These two candles are my signal and these two volumes. So let's see what will happen. This is strong uptrend market. That's why I place my trade to the upper direction. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this is also my winning trade. I'm explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So observe here, market is strongly going upward direction, and these candles, I see these candles in the market. This candle volume is high than previous all candles bar, and there are two candles here, small candles volume large, large candle volume weak. So a strong uptrend market and imbalance two candles volumes. That's why I immediately place my trade to the upper direction for 1 minute, and after 1 minute market close above my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is Euro USD pair, and market is now previous market ranging market, but this candle break this range. So I have to wait for opportunity. No, I don't have opportunity right now. I have to wait. Yes, I can go with the sellers for 1 minute. So let's see what will happen here. I place my trade to the lower direction for 1 minute. So let's see what will happen. I think market obviously closed below my entry point after 1 minute. So let's see. Yes, this is also my winning trade. I'm explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So look at here. Market slowly falling down. Market make a range here, and this candle break this range. So after breaking this range, market make a spinning top type candle. This candle act as a continuation sign because there is no level here. So that's why I immediately place my trade to the lower direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market closed below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. First of all, we have to know price action, volume analysis, volume signals, market condition, news time, news hour. So many things we have to learn first. After learning properly, we have to place our trade confidently, fearlessly. So there are so many things to learn. Most of us see some YouTube videos and some strategy, some indicator, and place their trade in their real account and lose their money. So it's not good. When we know all the things very deeply, it will be very easy for us. Market will very easy for us. Otherwise, it's not possible to make money from this market. So first of all, we have to learn very deeply. Deep knowledge is must to be a consistent profitable trader. If anybody want to learn price action, volume analysis, volume signals, OTC market strategies, so many sheer short strategies, contact with me by telegram at the TRUSTEDBNRY. So thank you for watching my videos.